why you play Beagle Eyes? You play it for fun, or you earn money from here, or you just find some friends?
No, I want to conversation with foreigner like you. I'm an English learner, that's why I'm here.
Oh, I'm learning English too.
Really?
Yes, I also want to practice my English.
So it's great if you give me follow back and we every day we talk in here. It's good for everyone. I mean, where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. So when we do live on Beagle Eyes, so people are watching us from around the world, right?
Yeah. Don't feel shy because if you want to speak English language, so you have to practice. I have so
Okay.
many mistakes,
So,
but I don't care about
what
it.
are you? Okay. What do you do for a living?
I have a job. I work in a bank.
Work in bank.
Yeah. You are a student? You look very young.
I'm a student. How old are you?
Can you guess how old I am?
You working, so you may be more than 20s already, I think.
I look like 20.
No, you are more than 20 years. I think 25 or 26 years.
Yeah, I'm 28 in this year.
28.
And
Oh, I see.
you, 18?
I'm 22. I don't know, just because of, I think the filter make me look younger.
Or you use filter, but I'm not using any filter. Do you like make friend?
Yes.
We are new friend today, okay? I really want to talk to you. You're really nice person, and you also learning English, so it's a great deal for our. In Cambodia, everyone is speaking English language or other language. I don't know.
It's like other country. People speak English because speak like their national language. People speak Chinese, and it's like a normal country.
Okay.
So where you from? I forgot.
I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, no problem. What do you know about Bangladesh?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you ask again?
Yeah, sure. What you know about Bangladesh?
Oh, you're from Bangladesh. Okay, I know the country.
Only you.
I don't know much about Bangladesh. I just heard the names of the country.
Okay, only you heard that name. If I visit your country, Cambodia, which place do you recommend?
In Cambodia, we have a lot of ancient temples. Like Angkor Wat is the most biggest temples, and you can come to visit our temples. And also we have the beach. We have many places. You can do research on Google. I cannot guide you.
Okay.
If you want me to guide you, you have to give me money.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
Yeah,
How many places do you visited?
I don't know.
Ever been you other countries?
Yeah.